at the Beehive in downtown Fresno. Always want to check out the inside of the building. This is the break room. These are some offices rented out, different places. Cool. Suite to the right. Suites over to the left.
Suite 201.
Some beautiful spaces here for meetings and stuff. Old honeycomb robotics. Eating spots. Elevator got stuck last time. Window to the downstairs area.
This is new.
Last flight of stairs. Beehive facility here. See, more offices. Break room for some Jenga. The logo, front desk greeting area. And another break room. Another break room here. Which leads to the converted area, which has now been converted into a volleyball court. Volleyball area.